Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the teaser of Tree Clouds at SP Kingstown, which is located near Manjari Stud Farm, Shevalewadi, Manjari, Pune, and is developed by Shapoorji Pallonji Group. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get Joyville Road, जो लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है पुणे सोलापुर हाईवे से. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 10.5 acre of land parcel, which will be having 7 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basement plus 23 floors, having 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located near Manjari Stud Farm, शेवालेवाड़ी, मांजरी, पुणे. And इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है योग मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, which is 1.5 kilometers away, शेवालेवाड़ी bus stop, which is 2 kilometers away, and Orchids International School, which is 2.1 kilometers away. Now let me give you the amenities of this project with the help of the project's 3D model. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, multi-purpose court, leisure lawn, green amphitheater, kids play area, and many more. Now, let me tell you about the carpet area of this project. This project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, in which you will be getting 3 BHK starting from 1155 to 1415 square feet, and 4 BHK which has 1855 square feet carpet area. Now, let us discuss the booking process. Project EOI window is now open. The client may come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And when the client likes the project, they may proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the teaser of Tree Clouds at SP Kingstown, which is located near Manjari Stud Farm, Shevalewadi, Manjari, Pune, and is developed by Shapoorji Pallonji Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.